if you go to the main branch, that is in city, where is a lot of jeepney already.
Grab car.
I'm sick in the grab car. I'm not sick in the jeepney.
You ride the other car, you're
Di ba
fine.
balik ka pa sa HK after? No, hindi din. No, I mean, I'm sick if I riding in the grab.
Why?
Because it's too expensive. But if
Would you be paying for it?
but if
No,
you ride
so
the
then don't worry
jeepney,
about
it's even you pay. At least I'm so
I'm
worried.
paying for it either way.
At least I'm worried. We need to save money. I'm not gastador, oy. I what is that? I born without any easy way. Like ride a jeepney, ride a tricycle.
Well, I've done my part.
Yeah. Ipag-amakan mo ibon, halindiya, pa city.
I hopped on a plane, went to a different island to get my one piece of paper taken care of,